Welcome back to NG Auto Review. Today, we're diving into one of the boldest full-size SUVs of the year, the 2026 Nissan Patrol NISMO. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement of performance, luxury, and presence that blends motorsport-inspired design with real-world utility. Let's get into it. From the outside, the Patrol NISMO makes an immediate impression. The refreshed design brings a wider, more aggressive front fascia with a signature V-motion grille finished in gloss black and deep red NISMO accents that scream performance. Aerodynamic tweaks, including new air intakes and a rear diffuser, are both stylish and functional. It rides on striking 22-inch aluminum alloy wheels, and the LED lighting all around gives it that modern, premium vibe. It's a commanding vehicle that looks just as at home cruising through downtown as it does tackling tough terrain. Under the hood, the 2026 Patrol NISMO is powered by a hand-tuned 5.6-liter V8 engine producing a solid 428 horsepower and 560 Nm of torque. Paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission, this SUV delivers smooth yet responsive shifts. The NISMO-tuned suspension gives it sharper handling for its size, and the sportier exhaust note adds a bit of drama to every drive. While it remains a capable off-roader, the Patrol NISMO is now even more confident on the highway, blending speed with stability. It's not just about brute strength, there's refinement here too. Inside, the Patrol NISMO continues to impress. Red and black contrast stitching on the Alcantara seats, carbon fiber trims, and a redesigned center console add to its sporty yet luxurious vibe. The 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system is sleek and easy to use, now with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Rear passengers get their own 8-inch entertainment screens, and the tri-zone climate control ensures comfort in every row. Space is generous throughout, making it an ideal mix of family hauler and performance SUV. As for the price, the 2026 Patrol NISMO starts around $106,000, depending on the market. It's a premium tag, but with everything you get, looks, power, comfort, and exclusivity, it feels justified. You're not just buying an SUV, you're investing in a piece of Nissan's performance heritage. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is NG Auto Review. See you next time with more in-depth car content.